Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to record the login test in Apache JMeter tool. Okay? How we need to record the login test only for login flow only in Apache JMeter tool. Okay? I will show you now. Yeah, this is the tool for Apache JMeter. First of all, you need to add some elements. Test plan is by default will become. You need to add the some thread group. Under thread group, to go to logic controller and selected the recording controller. I will selected. After go to listeners view results tree. Okay, these are the just a small test plan. After in test plan you need to select the in recording purpose, go to non-test element HTTP test script recorder. This is the main one. I will given the port number is 8080 and select the recording controller in target point of view. Recording controller, all the request will be under recording controller. Go to request, you need to to the exclude format. What are the formats you need to exclude? Is a general format. You need to give the pipe symbol and you need to provide the exception also. Okay. Okay, I will provide the some default one. You can go to the test plan, you already selected. Okay, everything is done. Now we need to go to the browser side. Okay, browser also you need to configure. Okay, just you can wait 1 minute. Okay, now you need to go to the settings. No, it did not open. Yes, internet, go to settings, internet options. First of all you need to go to the content, you need to check the certificate. Go to trusted root certificate. You can see JMeter. Today only I uploaded latest one. Okay, you need to check JMeter is installed or not. Root CA certificate. After go to connections, go to LAN settings, remove to the automatic detect settings, select the process subset localhost 8080. Yeah, now setup is everything completed. Now what you need to test now, you can go to, I will select the JPEG store. I selected. This is the demo application. You can see the process server is not responding. It's a server properly configured. You can go to JMeter. You need to click on start. Okay, this is the root CA certificate. You no need to click or click on OK also. Just within few seconds will be automatically leaving and test is started. Okay. Now how you need to do now? You can go to the first application. You need to start. Click on enter. You can see the page is open. First of all, launch the URL. After go to sign in. Click on sign in. After you need to enter the username. Username is J2E by default. J2E by default. After click on login. Yes, it's a login and you open the main home page. This is only open main home page. Okay, it's done. You need to sign out. This is only login flow. Okay, yeah, everything is done. You can stop. You can go to JMeter. You can see some actions will be recorded. This is the launch URL. This is sign in sign in. You can see this is Java application JSession ID. Okay, JSession ID is the dynamic value. Means in technical terms, this is the session. The session will be created for security purpose, will create it, but performance point of view, the session ID is the dynamic value. Okay, it's a sign in page. It's a login. You can see source page and underscore FP. This is also dynamic values only. You can easily identify it. And sign in, this is the login, username and password will provide it. This is generally what are the steps you need to perform. No? That one action main page will become after sign up page, after main page will be displayed, starting page. Okay. Okay. Now you need to run one time and you need to check it before you need to save the script. Okay. This is login 1. I save the script. Okay. Now just you need to run and you need to check is able to work or not properly. Okay. All the requests are successfully executed. This is the way you need to record the script in Apache JMeter tool in especially login flow. Okay. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. Okay, how we need to record now. You can see our target also. How to record the login test. How to record the login test in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, these are the small settings you need to done and you need to record the script. Okay, you can simply need to record it anything. Okay, the script is not recorded. Okay, that time there is some issues. Issues means is the port you need to provide, any unique port you need to provide any number, example 8080 8888 2222 2020 3030, anything you need to provide, any one number 4 digits you need to provide, and you need to select the go to request filtering. No, this one add suggested excludes, you need to one time you need to click, the unwanted data is not recorded that time. Of test plan, you already given the on the thread group there is a recording controller. This only you need to record the all the request. Na? You need to select the recording controller. That time properly will be request, everything will be recorded under recording controller. These are the general one. After you can go to the application side, means a browser point of view. This application is not recorded means there is some issues. First of all, go to the settings, internet options, content, certificate. Go to trusted root certificate. This JMeter certificate, anything will be expired. The validity is expired. That time script is never recorded. Okay, you will show some errors. Your JMeter root CS certificate is invalid or expire. Something error message will become. That time you need to come to this location. You need to delete this one. Okay. The JMeter roots, remember, don't delete unnecessary files, only JMeter file only you need to delete certificate, and you need to regenerate the script or regenerate the root CS certificate. After you need to export. Okay, how you need to regenerate now, I am already sent one video, you can check it, my my YouTube playlist also you can find out. Okay, once you need to provide the valid root CS certificates, 100% will be script is recorded. After you can go to the connections. In LAN settings, you need to remove to the automatic detect settings, and you need to select the proxy, and you need to select bypass also. Bypass proxy server local address. Local address means, example, this is the local machine guys, is my computer. I will provide the local host. Otherwise IP address I will provide it. But in company point of view, he will provide some IP address will be provided. Means which machine will be connected you don't know, no? Exactly. That reason the IP address will be provided. Based on IP address and port number only you need to record the script. Okay, it's not that much of difficult. You need to 1 or 2 times you need to practice from your local computer and go to the company point of view. You can try 2-3 times, now automatically you able to record the script. It's not recorded, anything issue will become, you need to contact to the first of all you need to contact to the development team. Okay, means the people is keep on changing code and something will be deployed in new level. Okay, there is some issues, that one also you need to check. And go to the server administrator or application administrators. Okay, you need to request, it's not able to record the script, anything administrator side, anything issue na, he automatically show some permission issues, means permission errors will become. That time you need to contact to the application server or server administrators, he will provide the access. I means maybe your mail ID means company employee ID, na? That employee ID you need to add it to the our specific which server you need to access, na? The DLLs will be added. That time you automatically get the access. You need to record the script. Okay, any banking sites, na, you need to very careful. Banking sites you will provide the that proxy, this all the things, na, you will provide some limited time only. You need to record the scripts, that type of things. You need to fastly need to complete recording everything. It's done, yeah, it's okay, but recording will be done. You need to check everything is properly recorded or not. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. You need to record the script through JMeter in login test. There is nothing else. It's a very simple also. Okay, browser to browser, just a small options only will be changed, but the concept is same. You need to practice 2-3 times. Okay, you able to easily need to record the scripts, all the flows. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to the next video. Thank you.